Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ORICO 5Big Dash Solution, a massive data storage center for every production project. So friend, ORICO has announced 5Big DAS storage system solution with 110 TB big capacity of 40 GB transfer speed storage system boosts the unparalleled productivity of professional like video audio editor, content creator and filmmaker and support person or big team video audio project to generate extensive data. As a video audio creator in pre-production and post-production, the volume of data can be overwhelming and scattered, and from the new footage to final edit, sound file to special effect, and losing the valuable data set, meaning losing everything. Large, reliable and centralized storage ensure that our assets and they're secure and easily accessible, and the system has 5 push bay comfortable with 2.5 inch, 3.5 inch SSD and 3.5 inch HDD, single way support up to 22 TB drive and provide a total 110 TB lossless data backup and access area, and specially tailored for high frame rate visual project and environment requiring high data complements. It means you can get a storage space the same as 55 into 2 TB laptop, 440 into 256 GB phone, and 11,264 into 10 GB Blu-ray movie, and 38 lakh 44,778 into 30 MB lossless music. And this system support up to 3 devices daisy chain, and you can connect total of 330 TB capacity available for the next project. And on the other hand, it enables data recovery and 7 rate mode, and 5 big dash storage system give a huge data transfer speed of up to 40 Gbps, and creator can connect a 40 Gbps enclosure with M.2 SSD for real-time processing and stable storage, and the video editing productivity is boosted tenfold and beyond, and creator generally spend hours. Long wait time has been spent on import export of source images and high frame rate 4K 8K videos, but now just second. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.